front of me is Motorola Razr 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Firstly, just open Devices settings and tap on Display section. Following that, you need to scroll down and tap on Display Refresh Rate. Now select the best option for you by tapping on it. In my case, Standard. So when I click and go back, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!